VLOOKUP formula is like a lazy formula, which means it always looks just for the first available cell. In our case, we have salesperson IDs, but for particular regions. So we have salesperson ID number 3 in the region East and with 3 in the region South. And just looking up the information by using this ID is not enough for us, because there are 2 people having the same identifier. How to solve this case? In most of the cases, you need to create your own key and then combine the text. In our case, I will combine the salesperson ID and the region name and copy the formula down. I created this column as the first one so that the VLOOKUP formula can find all of the information to the right without any limits. So now when we have the VLOOKUP formula, we can insert the first argument as once again the text concatenation, and then we can select the table array, column number 6 and the exact match. And we see 71%. This is number 3 for East. And if we would change it to South, you can see that now we look up using 2 columns.